To the sama ya paya yedab selma ya bono the zahan pumbi kamantum punyarma yesa shal kam al kawle nyale de labal ni bitunduya na won gafara din jana trend din ganda moyma nyala banyen tukunkuna an sirga na alma ndik ba la la bayma zangla ta na ka tri dan fa ni nyesha to te labna tumpu ka pa pam anda ku ci activisel NTV ma ساشل كم زاها ممكن يرامي يتمنا على كولي ما بالشعب يخسر لي لهبل تولا كتن زاند تراكر بل تهتم لنا فيكا بقوي مو متى بقول يلا يب بقوي مو ثم لا سبيشال ويكل فيتشر لهبل نبيش ما دي يلا بوي شل بيان متين فيه لمن زاند تانا يشل مبيان دي بور شهرة بي أي مالسلس كونر تهتم لي تبور متباغ لهبل ما نجندسو نزوم تنا تدومو بوني titi to amason kadi wumle onwele ne ba ho kamidi pre to bakoy mo la bel sheltum malatra kar nyi la bel son de nyi pitte buga yina ti yini yila ko yilbo le H for real o yela mal la ship se pam la H for real mo ma o non de la yila kar mal enfant pam to bon bagu ne son chanati ko mamma to ton kagati zancham on te yila ne puni sham wula ko non do yila ma wula karana pai tin fu kom kallamna kata minu po hayu taba kata teta mni ni muhai ne fila kata ni fila so ka bande jansham no muna sa shel kamza han kun yarame ngil mo no Muhammad Hafiz aka Chiefs wala ma bilicin bidab ko bisam lahbal minute tula ntulta ba lahbale tan bambo mo zanga tarana. Stay tuned, we'll be back right after this. Biala kalabna tumi yala yella balma na tabiya ka porte table ni ma na ta pang da la tamba nsongale nto diga bam mallah balma bam mamma abun no la ka tana dumo pune ntin yi to ama bayana san so aka ali dire da fa ni ya shari tunda pun yala yetu weekly special feature ma is one finest artist in Ghana that we are privileged to have in our house tonight muni yan kana no ti yalti dem bian no muna ka tinyirin jansham to kun nan sen chile tumal H for real dumo pune kati borna ta bago gomino kati mino po hati yu tabakati nyirin jana. H for real, welcome.
Welcome, thank you.
And this one is our what?
This is a new greeting H for real is bringing to the youth.
Okay.
Yeah, there are so many greetings the youth always do when they meet and it's getting boring. So H for real is bringing a new swag of greeting to the youth and all the fans who are real people, because H for real fans are called real people because the record label is Real People Records.
Okay.
Yes. So
when you are greeting,
so one would give, you meet one another as youth, you give one another hand like this, then you vibrate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to vibrate in you too.
Yes. To have the feel of greeting.
I like that. I like that. You should have a brand.
Yeah.
You know, when you have things that are associated to you, they respect you because anytime you see something like this, you know that H for real.
Yeah, H for real.
That's beautiful. H for real.
Yes.
If we may go deep inside you, H for real. What does it mean? Is it what H for real? What does it mean?
Yeah, H for real is just simple. My real name is Hamid, and then real attached to the Hamid, making it H for real or Hamid for real. Simple as that.
Okay, Hamid.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. I know I've seen you sing before. I've seen you perform before. What kind of artist are you? Are you a writer? Are you a performing artist only? Are you writing only songs? What do you do apart from performing?
Wow. When it comes to music, I am exceptional. Yes, because I am a writer. I write all kind of genre. I write reggae, I write hip hop, I write R&B, and I write so many kind of genre of music.
Okay.
And I am a drummer and a dancer. Yeah.
Really?
So I do all this kind.
You dance a lot?
I dance.
So,
I can make dancing moves.
Can you give us, so.
I can make the dancing moves. So
really?
you
That's
wait
beautiful.
and when the time comes. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. H for real.
Yes.
I like the name. I think it is very catchy.
Yes.
H for real. Everything about you is
It's
real.
real, yeah.
That's great. Hamid, can you tell us a bit about your educational background? Because most of the time we see you look like people that are into music. They are kind of failures in education. They are kind of failures in life. Some of them believe that if you can't do anything in life, then you go into music. Can you tell us a bit about yourself in education?
I think it's a misconception because it's not about people who cannot do other things. They don't have option that falls into music. I think we can cite so many examples of musicians who are highly educated, including H4.
Exactly.
Yeah, I have happened to complete senior high to Bagabaga Teacher Training College in Tamale here.
In Tamale here?
Yeah, in Tamale here. I've been in Tamale here, Bagabaga Teacher Training College. And after completing Bagabaga Teacher Training College, I went to Ghana Telecom University at Accra. Okay. And then after Telecom University, I've been part of the people they've trained for the Ghana Oil and Gas. So I did oil and gas, IT and project management at MDPI. And from there, I've moved to University of Ghana. And from University of Ghana, I had the opportunity to go to China for some educational program.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I think music is a talent and it's for purpose. And then it's just to put the creativity to correct certain happenings in society and to put it as a business to put food on the table. Yeah,
that's so beautiful. You really trained and you've traveled to China, you've traveled to where Zanzibar and
so many places.
That's beautiful.
Yes,
I think you're going global.
Yes.
You kind of crossing the rivers to put the music on the world map. That's beautiful. There's this rumor I've been hearing. I've read a couple of things on the newspaper, on the net. I don't know why people think you are a Nigerian. Are you a Nigerian, a Ghanaian, Ivorian? Which one are you? I've read a lot about you. I still can't get it.
Yes, as you just said on the newspapers and other places, some people think I have so many couple of interviews up there in the capital city, Accra, and people think that I am a Nigerian. I don't understand why. Some people said the way I look, others say the way I sing, others say the way I talk. But I think it's just their own view. I am not a Nigerian. I'm not from any country. I'm from Ghana here, specifically the north here. Okay. I'm from the north and I'm from Mamprugu.
Wow.
So H4Real is a northern Ghanaian. And today I had the opportunity to be in my own home, then to talk about music in this TV station. I'm so glad.
That's beautiful. You mean you are a complete northerner?
I am a complete northerner, 100% northerner, mom northerner.
So sure you can speak a little of Dagbani.
Yeah, I can speak a little of Dagbani. So can say from Facebook, many all social media man to type H4Real, be real people records, then you can like and follow. Mamprugu want to Facebook ma be YouTube type H4Real, then Untonya Bunsil den Bebeni, then so can say like a follow. H4Real is a pure northerner and has all the northern features. Yes.
You know, into a Mampuruma.
Yes.
The channel can name the normal command program to Hamamperle.
Okay, no problem.
Manya and into Hamamperlo. The Nomania Hampam.
Yeah.
Burni Sujina Wana.
Okay.
Cut Puun Swahila Puni.
Okay.
Kalera Yulima Katabu.
Okay, okay.
Lola comes a hapu yipa, at least women come and Urapoina.
Okay.
Come up on you can tell a paper baumia, one says the Shash is Asashima, Ileha, in Banakama, Nimwai, the Bituduma.
Okay.
The Paya Pam in Shama. Tian non Shamia. Borden Kasukamaza Habankaman, Amalumwana, Piawanima, the Simpson the Liable Daban, the Pialfuna, President Caracana, Bambiumwana, Isma Bolaga, Wabi, Tamano, Kabubatu, Pantin Yari, Twashama, Catrida, so to Kunamapa, Tinya Yashamia. Bon, H4Real. Boso Kapa Chaka ya down, because Shabia Nabi in Nigeria, Ayat and the Babu, Shabia Nabi and Ankara, Ayat and the Babu. Bulizo Kapa Labana, nothing Ayila Mani Money.
Okay. Until Tizamina we yet to Sumi is that no place like home.
Exactly.
And when she comes out, I know it Hilani and the same and check it dry arma that's Yanzo Anzali. So mine manala Dula Benessa Nampil in Tumpil Gonzalo from Binans and do imminent Tumpil Gonzalo from Sazugons and Signa. So Mampil Kala Sazuma, that is opportunity Shamania, Mpilka Sazu, Nanzan Signa Kotontam, Maya Selna. So at the end, Mbolam projected Northern culture and Northern tradition throughout my music. Wow. I know I'm going global music masa as a channel global because music are recognized even at the international level. In US company shaben kababona ka taxi is well leading juniors taxi nyala music company sha kampe juniors since 92 baninya the well leading music company pushing independent artists to break through the hard walls of music industry ma. So ka taxi worldwide submission can submitting hip hop track ma ka winning 4th best around the globe as independent artist. So Taxi da invite me to come to America. Unfortunately, American embassy refused my visa because they were thinking that Inji Changi because of but music now could trend even I still get the feedbacks and notes and evidence and to see feedbacks mania from Taxi. Yeah.
Oh, then that's beautiful. America no I even da mo visa. Brak mo mo travel hanya. War palma America ka to bola gota aba pekra. It's for real. Chakambo amitan tin sashel mama. Music promotion is the backbone of every artist. If you are into music now, all that you do is promotion. Gila mani and Jerry Mpare Nerwisham. Pumpon tesa how many music videos? Then no kwahari gila na. Okay. Ami atu malilsha akamba the videos. Muling mahra videos ma. Wula nyami ba negotiation and how far have you gone with the music video?
I think the mbongo so kabiyane tamsha kabiyane nyala Nigeria ma.
Okay.
Mbuzan ndem.
No.
Mbuzan ndem halibela. So Mambose comes and bola the international level, Kenya original. So mon mahar videos man yala X-Bill Ebenezer, the Ghana #1 finance
the most popular
video editor and director in Ghana.
Wow.
So clean videos. Yes. So one currently released a single called Pack and Go.
Okay.
So a single ma Pack and Go makaza kunyala about itiki pa or girlfriend from the street. Kubuzi there couple or jump steps then at the end to look. So Pack and Go. X-Bill ma halo manzia chwengozumo. Manzia pampa woma. Even MTV base.
Yes.
Tomala forms and submit a video for international distribution.
Oh, that's
so
wonderful.
I'm feeling MTV based forms to submit Pack and Go to MTV base for worldwide broadcast and distribution.
Oh, that's wonderful. Hamid, pumpo alam na mwana. Mami, te punya ba mang ni sham. You intend doing any collaborations because things is ashara mami be yala ne sambi wale o do la sambi tanjia. Kama kanon ngona ma. Ana nyala sana something ni papa. Shapum bi ngona kanon ni yila ni ma. Ami amal any intention of doing collaborations. Bi mana ami bam pitu ngona ma. Kitu non ni yila no ne taba kaptu nya ba yulmani ngulu kichi. Amala ni.
Wow. Maya iya namgon shi akamza nandila mampurgu be north zugu kan so man go say marnia pam na feature northern artist ba mama man pasigadam there WhatsApp na to arabio camp and danseli
yes
mampu biha baima but as a result of man talent hunt organization nzi one yumnama yina bunjerai yina as a music no bun sabalma time shaman da be can organize talent hunt at Wale level and he happened to be one of contestants.
Okay.
So andanya talent building then people. So I'm thinking of doing something with him and Fancy Gadam to project the northern culture together to the international level.
That's very beautiful. That's very beautiful. Pumpon tinjiamo amini shift too. Bumi yala we no nturu tison kape nimkura tabra. Do you have a record label? Do you have a team? Or who is under you that is pushing you to this high? Who is behind this efforts?
There are so many people. Nirvo Pambena support Rama. But with all that, Kanyala Bayana Zugra Garzuino. So it is a lot to go back to Banza. Trama Navu Soko Be Akran. You mean Eddie Blake, Mayele vote for me.
Okay.
I want to be president. Vote
Yes.
for me. Jake. So Jake is the brain behind this, and he's the one organizer for Underground TV in Max TV.
Okay.
So
Yes,
he's
yes.
the producer of Underground TV.
Yeah.
One the talent, and he's pushing. Besides that, Age for Real himself, bang music business from school education, sir. And that don't understand the music business. So all this US and Bumbo as Age for Real mama and Anza Chakubaka can antepa can never I patinho and go hanya beyond my talent beyond the cabo but campaign and got to pushing music business man.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Inta te interview mama de chakata chara silmi sele ka chara dabalema ma mini NTV no bonoma de tongu pam hatin to kuno program ka shabdo bo ne tana Nigeria ka shabdo ne tana Gambia be za hana be leherme hatin bin wana wa shabbi bol ka shabbi wa be dagban le dibe yeba de mi wesem sen no dire afana shatin yarma de chakata zanga silmi sele nto tana ra pune ni yeto amani ntaba ka ba wumna ka ce Hamid o dagban le bandi ko la mi man prosel halan ba no ku jeon no ku cheche ma prosel na o da fara na o taga so Hamid tin sakti yeto amati ba no ku borna no be shaya umpun anon videos akana wana tisana ma wote what is the way forward so den ka papi karpajia anim waso le mpabono so den ka papi an yele silmi silbiara agba ebo den nan ka bambi kantar sama ka to wumle katana ti yele man produit ta gban le biara katama be ma gba bi abdiri ta fa to katana chapse
I think Age for Real is pushing and pushing harder. Okay. And I think in the near future you'll be seeing Age for Real in the international platforms like US, UK, and even at the Ghanaian national platforms because we are pushing and pushing. Manya Bunshama nyala Age for Real brand ma kanyala Real People Records and Real People Records as fans zanyala real person. So to born a real person. So fan for Age for Real is a real person, not a fake person. So everybody they should go and join Age for Real, Real People Records on Facebook or YouTube. Kasukanza chang to join katu pushi Age for Real brand ma katiza do mpatambu tumpaya silma.
That's beautiful. Pumpontin yen non sham. Tumina ani yen chapsite jima. Akaman anyati back and go ma. Tinchant today the video ma. Le bielfou. Kanya ni moi shall be video pour moi. Maman yala. Experience ma la video ma. Experience ma anti Google ti ho yula. Hallo ma video no ma ndusil min tan sen ma video no ma. So dit nan ka so betu do kanang de yila. Ka to mal video with that particular person. Am ban ni mo habela ni ma. So tinchant today go video ma. Min te be kanal labna. Ntana ku jia.
Mama, get away, no, you me fly. All the way, then my own, you make me cry. Let them up, mama, get away, no, you me fly. All the way, then my own, you make me cry. I love you, I love you, I love you, girl. I love you, I love you, I love you, girl. I love you, I love you, I love you, girl. Yeah, I love you. You make
to tizari nye la video ma den chen sham ama manje bi ponse ma anye cameraman no roller sham ama manje pictures ma kasu yen yala ni mo be la video ma fune pekati yen sal it's for real kadi o piece wala katana bantin yen ba sham kana to kwalfa program ma but foi ko cham de besim suna biena mo ma ka bu to anwal ni beti min la kama sakata no so balle herma anto anwal ne biya abu bani aku kwalma na song de sham kadi do ku ton ma
no problem so mun da ku yarma na nyala rapa writer singer man ko na rap biela kazan yila be man yila biela kazan la
kazan wa biela pa
yeah okay somewhere it is one of the nature's law that man must fall in love, but it is not man's nature to love and likewise love. Sat and watch helpless, you stole my powers away, my heart, my reason and my soul. I've surrounded all to you. Now you say sorry for molding an angel like you to be a break of heart. Just follow your heart this day while I take my hope on time. Someday somewhere someone shall come along, she will pick all the fragments, this sudden shattered heart, put them all together and it back to holding a jealousy, keep it for her own. Oh yeah. Nzala flower yura de amakaru wulsini yurunga salma shahra banga nzampre karu wulsini lanka swa kawasto na lanyini oh my sweet apple twinkle twinkle little star how I wonder where you are up above the world so high like a diamond in the sky tem odo mi pen tem fa mi sika bra na mi kofi da wosi ompemi o ma mi filimi na wo papa filimi na wosi ompemi bra mi fie na endurance me obago papa from America dollars wo ha be bre ye bedi who yourself in la bari big sumen yakin all day. You go make yourself fine, I go make myself fine, we'll go home and sleep, sofa bed top. Me a bugger, papa.
It's for real.
Papa, hey yo,
it's for real. It's for real.
Everybody's checking your body, you killing me body, tell everybody. Oh my lady, love you my lady, feel you my baby, take you my arm so. I wanna take you my home, make you my woman, feel you my lady. Oh my lady, shaking your body, shaking your booty, shaking your ass. Oh my lady, turning your body, say oh, when your body say.
Goga, yarmembe behele here. Ansuru long ashama. I think chaka déjà ne sont pas expliqué tout bien. Il y a fil voice pas mon to ku fila karpaja no boashi ko guys warganda so tum go gachi. To ko ya ka papam anto chanama. Din ka labal shedan yina nyine tun tung baga. Nzana chika te explain it so kamza ko diri da fan. It's for real. Thanks so much for coming.
The new people greetings. Don't forget. The new swag for the it's the new swag.
I like that. To ma badinya bin shaka maza ha awun palata bakanya ka nimbe di shahra ti yara mu program ma di pikane program ma no ko pile trending hala chama amle yele suna yele lolo kam ka te hal banjira ba pum foni tera ni rubu no ma trending la bal ma no swargan de shama amma ma mine trending biti ale ba sha trending me danin na chena so dinin ka program shall bien kana ba chena dundon wo punin ti yina tv ma ne ngala la programme de lura wable sachel kamza hatmi yaram yi al kawli nyale te mina sunsuni donc kun ka bu al kawli wa tala nyale te pandele nsang la bal sumatrana NTV so ka te da fa ni nyeshale inde punta la bale zanchan weekly feature shelton nangma bakoy mo be NTV nan bala sawara nitum pasi sachel mo al zumbal dal kam kurgani yiti yamin te peta bamalla butu basa hazang le trana te edita mamman ko camera na pier zumma nan puni ne bitin yetel mamman ma bin zang da sasa go shele din ya addini dane in zang da tar musulun